Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a draft on a face in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to create an empty file, and after that we need to create a new body and we need to create a new sketch. After that we need to select one from available attachments, so I select here XY plane and I click OK button to create it. Then we need to add here a simple rectangle, so I go to rectangle settings and I select here rectangle. After that I draw here a simple rectangle. It doesn't matter what dimensions of this rectangle you have. And now we need to click close button and we need to select here pad. Then we need to click OK button and this object and body is ready to edit. So now if you want to edit this face, you need to click on it, and after that you need to click on this option. This option is draft. It will let you to make a draft on a face. So I select this option and this face has been selected and added to draft parameters, and on default the draft angle is set to this one. If you want to change it, you can type here your own angle. For example, I type here 20 and I click somewhere outside this box to check the effect. How you see it works properly. If you want to save changes, you need to click OK button. And how you see it really works, so in this way you can easily make a draft on a face in FreeCAD. If I helped you to use this function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.